Question number 1. What is the shortcut key to open the Run dialog box in Windows? Correct answer is option C, Win plus R. Question number 2. Which shortcut key is used to copy selected text or items? The correct answer is option A, Control plus C. Question number 3. What is the shortcut for pasting copied content? The correct answer is option B, Control plus V. Question number 4. How do you open Task Manager quickly? The correct answer is option B, Control plus Shift plus Escape. Question number 5. What is the shortcut key to lock your computer? The correct answer is option A, Windows plus L. Question number 6. What key combination is used to minimize all open windows? The correct answer is option A, Windows plus M. Question number 7. How do you switch between open applications? The correct answer is option B, Alt plus Tab. Question number 7. Which shortcut key is used to open File Explorer? The correct answer is option A, Windows plus E. Question number 8. How do you close a currently active window? The correct answer is option A, Alt plus F4. Question number 9. What is the shortcut to rename a selected file or folder? The correct answer is option C, F2. Question number 10. How do you open the Start menu using a keyboard shortcut? The correct answer is option B, Windows key.